Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Adam Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hello, Sarah. It's so good to see you today.
It's great to see you too, Adam. How are you?
I'm doing great, thank you. And you? You look really happy today.
I am happy. It's such a beautiful day, and honestly, I'm a little hungry.
Hungry? Me too. I'm always hungry.
Well, who can blame us? Food is just too good.
That's true. And actually, that's the perfect topic for today.
Yes, today we're going to talk about food, one of everyone's favorite topics.
Ooh, I love it already. Food is my favorite subject. So, what exactly are we talking about?
We're going to talk about a very special meal. The question for today is, what was the best meal you've ever had?
Wow, that's a great question. I can already think of a few delicious answers.
Same here. So let's get ready to talk about food, memories, and flavor, all in English.
Sounds delicious. Let's get started. Hi, Sarah.
Hi, Adam.
I'm feeling hungry today.
Me too. What are you thinking about?
Remember that meal I told you about last week?
The one at your uncle's house?
Yes, that one. It made me think about the best meals I've ever had.
Ooh, I love this topic. Best meal ever? That's a big question.
Big but fun. Want to share yours first?
Sure. Mine is simple, not a fancy restaurant meal.
I like simple stories. Tell me.
It was when I was 8, a summer afternoon at my grandmother's garden.
A garden picnic? That sounds cozy already.
Yes! My grandmother had a small wooden table under an old jasmine tree.
The smell must have been wonderful.
It was the scent of jasmine mixed with fresh-baked bread.
Fresh bread is unbeatable.
She made tomato soup too, light and warm, and tiny cheese tarts.
Cheese tarts? Yum!
I remember the sunlight. Everything looked golden.
The light always makes meals feel special.
We ate slowly. My cousins were there. We played hide and seek between bites.
That sounds like childhood magic.
It really was. My grandma told stories about when she was young.
So the food and the stories came together.
Yes, the soup tasted like safety. The bread melted with the butter.
That's beautiful. The feeling becomes the flavor.
Exactly. I still think of that day when I smell tomato and bread.
Smells are powerful time machines. What about you, Adam? What's your best meal? Mine was when I was a teenager in a small seaside town with my father.
Seaside meals always sound good.
We rented a tiny room above a bakery. In the morning, the baker shared leftover pastries with us.
Leftover pastries are the best kind of surprise.
We walked to the pier with coffee. The wind was cold, but the sun was bright.
Coffee by the sea, that's simple perfection.
A fisherman gave my dad a small bag of grilled fish. He said, "Eat it while it's hot."
That's so kind.
We sat on the pier's edge, feet dangling, and ate with our hands. No plates.
That rawness makes it special.
The fish was smoky and sweet from the sea. The salt air made it taste even better.
I can picture it. The sound of waves, the smell of fish, the warmth of the sun.
My father and I didn't talk much that day. We just ate and watched boats.
Quiet sharing can be so meaningful.
Yes, it felt like a bridge between us. He was teaching me with silence.
Food can say things words can't.
Exactly. That meal taught me to slow down and appreciate small gifts.
Two very different best meals so far, both simple but full of feeling.
I think that's the pattern. The best ones are about connection.
I agree. Do you remember a holiday meal that stands out?
One Christmas dinner when I was 20, all my cousins came home.
Big family dinners are chaotic but lovely.
My aunt made a huge roast. The kitchen smelled like rosemary and orange.
That sounds festive.
After dinner, my grandmother brought out tiny cakes for everyone. She told us what she loved about each of us.
Personal compliments and cake, what a perfect mix.
The words made the cake taste sweeter.
So true. Words add flavor too.
I had another special meal. My college friends and I made ramen at midnight during exams.
Midnight ramen is a tradition for students.
We were exhausted and laughing. We spilled sauce everywhere.
Chaos makes the food better.
Yes, we promised to support each other through finals. That meal became our friendship symbol.
I love that. Food as friendship.
What about a disappointing meal?
Once I went to a fancy restaurant. Everything looked perfect, but nobody talked. It felt empty.
So, the quality can't replace connection?
Exactly. I'd rather eat toast with people I love.
Same here. Food is only half the story. The people are the rest.
Did you ever think a meal could change how you remember someone?
Absolutely. My father's quiet meals taught me to listen.
My grandmother's soup always reminds me of her laughter.
A meal becomes a memory anchor.
Have you ever had food that surprised you?
Yes, street food in Thailand. One small bowl of noodles, and it tasted like home, even though I was far away.
Unexpected comfort. I love that.
What's your comfort food?
Pancakes with honey. The smell of honey makes me calm.
For me, mashed potatoes with gravy. Soft, simple, and warm.
Food connects to emotions more than we realize.
True. Even making tea can feel like care.
My family always has soup on the first cold day of winter.
That's such a cozy tradition.
It makes the house feel protected.
We do something similar. On New Year's Day, we make sticky rice cakes together. Everyone helps.
I love meals that everyone builds together.
The laughter adds flavor.
Once I baked my grandmother's pie recipe. It took hours, but it felt like she was with me.
The pride must have tasted delicious.
It did. We ate it outside in the garden. The wind was cool, the crust was warm.
That's a perfect image.
Do you think technology changes how we enjoy food?
Yes. People take photos before they taste.
True. Sometimes pictures replace presence.
I'd rather someone look at me than their screen.
Me too. The best meals need attention, not filters.
Well said. Who would you invite to your dream dinner?
My grandmother, my best friend, and one stranger who tells great stories.
Nice choice. I'd invite my father, the fisherman who gave us the fish, and a chef I admire.
That sounds like a wonderful table.
The talk would be as rich as the food.
If you could travel anywhere for one dish, where would you go?
A Greek island for fresh seafood by the sea.
I'd go to Japan for a bowl of morning miso soup in a quiet village.
The silence makes flavor stronger.
Yes. Have you kept your favorite recipes?
Some. My grandmother wrote a few by hand. Her handwriting makes them precious.
That's beautiful. I keep mine in a notebook too. Messy, but full of love.
Recipes are like family trees. Each one has history.
Once, I sent a cousin a copy of my grandmother's tart recipe. She cried.
That's the power of food. It brings people back together.
Exactly. Have you ever learned a life lesson from food?
Once I ate too fast and ruined my shirt before a big meeting. Lesson? Slow down.
A wise and funny lesson.
Cooking also teaches humility. You can burn dinner and still laugh about it.
Laughter saves any meal.
Do you cook when you're sad?
Sometimes, baking helps. The smell fills the silence.
The act of creating something gives peace.
And sharing it heals the heart. What about eating alone? Do you enjoy it?
Yes, a bowl of noodles alone can feel like peace.
True. Food can comfort when words can't.
Exactly. Do you plan meals or cook spontaneously?
I plan. It keeps me calm.
I'm more spontaneous. I like surprises in the kitchen.
Both ways create joy.
If you could create a new food holiday, what would it celebrate?
Tell a food story day. Everyone brings a dish and shares the story behind it.
I'd have Share a Plate Day. Everyone gives food to a neighbor.
Combine them. Share food and stories together.
Perfect. A festival of kindness.
We should host it someday.
Yes. Maybe start with our own picnic.
Bread, cheese, lemonade, and laughter.
And jasmine flowers. Always.
And no phones, just presents.
Deal. Only voices, stories, and smiles.
I can already imagine the table. Long, wooden, under a tree.
Plates passed around. Sunlight on faces. Quiet happiness.
The simple life, beautifully served.
That's the best meal ever.
I agree. Let's make it real one day.
I can't wait.
Me neither. Now, how about lunch?
Yes, let's make something that tastes like memory.
I'll bring the sandwiches.
I'll bring the soup.
And Jasmine?
Of course. Always.
Thank you so much for joining today's lesson, and it was great to see you. Stay healthy and keep practicing.
If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next English lessons. Your support means a lot to us and helps us to be more motivated to create more interesting and useful content, helping you speak English naturally and confidently every day. Thank you again, and see you in the next video.
We will be back soon with another interesting episode. Bye!